What is up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today's video is the very last video you'll see from me in 2020 and I'm kind of sad about that, but also very excited because I just can't wait for 2021. This year has just been so tough for everyone. I decided to dress up a little bit, get myself a little bit more glam today for today's video as it is the last one of the year. And to be honest, I didn't really know what to post today as my last video. I kind of was thinking maybe I should do like, I don't know, like outfits, ideas for New Year's Eve, but then realistically, a lot of us are just staying at home, including myself. I really don't have any plans for today apart from just watching a movie with Matt and maybe playing some Call of Duty. Like that is as exciting as it's gonna get in this household. So for today's video, I actually thought I would bring back something that I haven't done in a long time, and that is life hacks. A lot of you guys that are watching this video right now have probably come and found my channel from the time in like 2018 when I was doing so many life hack videos. Actually, I think it might have been 2017. I don't know, but anyway, life hacks were a massive thing back then. My earring just fell off somewhere, so that's great. I honestly don't really know why life hacks went away because some of them are really clever, especially nowadays. I see them a lot on TikTok and stuff, so I thought I would do a whole video about fashion life hacks. If you guys are brand new here and you guys haven't seen my face before, hi, I'm Roxy. Welcome to my channel. If you guys want to stick around and join the dinosaur family, make sure you guys subscribe down below. I have so much really exciting content planned for 2021, so keep your eyes peeled. Also, I have a really exciting project coming literally in January, like I think within the next 2 weeks. So I'm really excited. I'm actually wearing the thing I'm talking about today, so stay tuned. But anyways, I guess without further ado, let's get on into the video. Okay, so fashion hack number one is actually to cinch your shirt in, but in a more unconventional way. A lot of the time, people will take their like baggy t-shirts and stuff and kind of cinch them in and make them a little bit more cropped by tying them at the front into a little knot. This is so common now that I literally feel like everyone and their mum does that, but I feel like not many people think to actually do the little tied knot at the back. Honestly, it is a game changer. You can literally make your top look like it's cropped without having that bulky kind of tie in the front. It can kind of look a little bit unflattering sometimes to have that massive bulky tie in the front, so having it at the back that you can just tuck in underneath your shirt looks great. And while tying your t-shirt at the front kind of looks like a really nice cozy kind of slouchy vibe, I feel like tying it at the back looks way more classy and way more put together. Okay, hack number two is to prevent that bulkiness of your jumper when you have like a cozy knit jumper that's quite long and you kind of want to tuck it into your jeans or trousers. You get that like bulge all around and it can look a little bit unflattering sometimes. So to actually fix that, what you can do is you can tuck it underneath your bra instead. I've been doing this so much recently in the autumn and winter months because obviously we've been wearing a lot more like cozy, warm jumpers. And sometimes when you want that more fitted look, you do want to tuck it into your trousers. However, just tucking it underneath your bra like so really creates that whole cropped kind of vibe without getting that bulkiness in your trousers. Now, hack number three is for maybe those times where you don't want to tuck your jumper into your bra. Maybe it's a little bit too, I don't know, like bulky in your bra, or the jumper is quite thick in knit. Another alternative you can do to get rid of that bulkiness in your trousers is to actually use a shoelace as almost like a belt around your waist. So what you want to do is you want to grab a shoelace, tie it around your jumper like over the top of it, and then you kind of just pull your jumper out and over it, and honestly it works a treat. It's another really quick way to get rid of that bulkiness if you don't want to tuck your jumper into your trousers. And I mean, everyone has a shoelace, right? So this is literally so easy to do. Now the next fashion hack is for those of you guys who love wearing thigh-high or knee-high boots, but they always fall down when you walk. Isn't that the most annoying thing ever? It honestly used to be the only reason I didn't want to wear them because, I mean, why wouldn't you want to wear thigh-high or knee-high boots? They keep you warm in the winter and they look great. So ever since I found this hack, honestly, my life has been changed. And actually recently I posted a video of me trying out like 25 different outfits for autumn, and you guys were asking, how do you get your thigh-highs to stay in place? And this is the hack, guys. Basically what you do, there's actually two hacks, okay? So the first one is to actually use double-sided tape on the inside of your boots. Honestly, I feel like this one is a little bit more wasteful than the second one I'm about to tell you. But I mean, if you're struggling and you want to do it as like a one-time thing, I feel like this would be a really good hack. Obviously the double-sided tape will just kind of stick to your skin and also the shoe, so it'll kind of like sandwich the two together and it shouldn't fall down. But like I said, I feel like that one is a little bit wasteful, so don't do that all the time. It's maybe like a one-time fix. And the next hack to keep your thigh-high boots in place is a little bit more sustainable for sure, and it's actually to use some long knee-high kind of socks. It depends what shoe you're going for. If you're going for knee-high boots, wear knee-high socks. If you're going for thigh-high boots, then wear thigh-high socks if you can. Basically, if you put on a thick layer of socks underneath the boot, it has more friction so that it doesn't slide straight down your leg. Not only is this genius anyway, because it keeps your legs double warm because you've got the double layer, and when you take your shoes off, you've still got like thigh-high socks on, but also it prevents your shoes from falling down all the time, which honestly is so annoying. So hope you guys like these two hacks. Now the next fashion hack is for those of you guys who have that one pair of jeans or trousers where the fly just won't stay up. Like the zipper just keeps coming down and it's just so embarrassing when someone tells you, hey, your fly's undone. Honestly, I feel like it's not worth throwing that pair of jeans or pair of trousers out just because of the zipper. You could obviously replace it, but a quicker hack to fix it in the moment is to actually use an elastic tie. It's the same kind of elastic ties. You could get clear ones, black ones, all kinds of colors that you use for your hair. And what you do is you basically just loop the elastic tie through the zipper and then loop it around the top button of the trousers, and this just makes it stay up. This is really quick, really simple, but it works like a charm. The next hack I have is actually a really interesting one that I would have never thought to do myself, but again, I saw it I think on Pinterest, and basically if you want to kind of switch up a piece of clothing such as a cardigan, what you can do is actually wear it upside down. I mean, it kind of feels wrong to do that, but honestly, trust me, when you put it on upside down, it just gives you a completely different vibe. I just feel like wearing it upside down makes it look so much more cozy, so much more relaxed, and just really laid back. Honestly, I never would have thought to have done this before I saw this on Pinterest, but I really like how it looks. The next hack is for those of you guys that like wearing light colors like white, gray, beige. If you're on this channel, you probably do, because that's literally all I wear. A lot of the time though, I forget my fashion choices, and especially after I've already done my makeup, it's honestly impossible to get it over my head without getting makeup on the clothing. Recently though, I have started doing this little hack that is a little bit unconventional, but basically what I do is I take all of my hair in the front of my face and then I pull like my white jumper over my head, and because my hair is in the way, it doesn't leave any marks on my jumper. I know it looks really silly, and I mean, if you've already done your hair, you'll definitely mess up your hair, but usually I'm okay. This honestly works so well. You could also use like a shower cap to put over your face if you don't want to ruin your makeup. I mean, there's so many different extents and lengths you could go to just to not ruin your makeup, so that's just two of them. Have you ever had a belt that just doesn't quite fit? It doesn't go around your waist and there's not enough hoops to kind of wrap it around your waist? This is so annoying and it can really spoil the look of an outfit. So what you can do to fix that is actually use an elastic tie. I know, another life hack with an elastic tie, but honestly, it works like a tree. And honestly, they're just really helpful at fixing fashion malfunctions, so why not? Basically, what you do is you wrap the elastic tie around your belt before you put it on, and then you kind of just weave it around through your trouser loops like normal. And then when you get to the end of the belt, obviously you just kind of slide the elastic tie over the belt. It's really discreet. You honestly couldn't see it unless you really looked for it. So yeah, a really easy hack that most people probably wouldn't think to do, including myself, until you watch a video like this. Now the next hack is another shoelace one. Again, shoelaces are great. They're very versatile. They can solve many problems. So the way we're using a shoelace this time is to actually cinch in your jeans that are a little bit too big around the waistline. Let's be real, jeans are definitely one of those items of clothing that can be a really big hit or a miss. Sometimes they can fit you perfectly around the waist, but not really so much around the hips, and vice versa. So this is a really easy trick to fix your jeans. Basically, what you do is you loop a shoelace around the two loops towards the back of the jeans, and then you kind of cinch it in together like a corset and then tie it and then kind of just hide it underneath your jeans. It might create a little crease here or there, but honestly, it fixes your jeans. It makes them look so much more fitted, and you can always pop a belt over the top to kind of, you know, cover up the fold. Honestly, this is such a great hack, especially if your jeans are a little bit too big for you around the waist and you don't really want to throw them out. Now, the next hack is for those of you who want to go a step further further and you don't want to like faff around with a shoelace, there is actually a product on the market that I saw on Instagram that I purchased for this video to try it out. It's called like jeans cinchers. I'll pop the ad on screen so you guys can see what I purchased. This is basically what has arrived, and what you do is you kind of just pop this little pin through your trousers at a certain point where you want to cinch it in. I think in the advert they did it on the side of the jeans so that it was a little bit more discreet. And then basically you have these little like brackets that you kind of use to cinch in the whole thing together. I think these work really great. I think for long term these would be the better option than the shoelace, but honestly both work just as well. All right guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and it was definitely a bit of a throwback video, but I feel like it's very appropriate for the last day of 2020. I hope you guys find these fashion life hacks interesting and helpful, and that you can kind of incorporate them into your day-to-day life in 2021. That is, if we ever start wearing real jeans and real clothes, because half the time I am not dressed like this. I am wearing joggers and pajamas every single day. Let me know what you guys thought of this video. Which hack was your favorite, and would you ever use any of them? Let me know. If you guys would like to see more videos like this, I can definitely do more, so give this video a huge thumbs up and be sure to subscribe as well. And lastly, a quick little message from me to you. Honestly, thank you guys so much for being here. 2020 has been really rough for everyone, including myself. I don't really want to get into it, but basically, I feel like everyone's mental health has really struggled this year. So hopefully you guys are okay. If you ever need anyone to talk to, I am here on social media. You can always DM me. Fingers crossed for a better year in 2021. 2021, please be good to us. Honestly, we need it. I want to say a massive thank you to you guys for being here, supporting me over the years. I feel like it is my 7th or 8th year on YouTube now, which is honestly kind of crazy. Like, it has just gone so quick, but I'm really excited for a fresh start in 2021. I'm excited to get some interesting content out there for you guys again, and definitely stay tuned for January 13th. It's gonna be good. But anyways, that is all from me and the last video of 2020 that I'm gonna film. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in 2021 on the flip side. Bye. Mwah.